Hello guys, I'm David and today we're gonna see how insertion sort and selection sort works in data structures. So what we have here firstly is we have insertion sort. How insertion sort works is insertion sort firstly takes in two elements, the first two elements, then compares them and puts in the first one in the starting place and the largest one in the next. Then after this has happened in the first for, then in the second for, what happens is it takes in the third element, then assumes the first three elements to be an array and then it sorts the three. Then for the next for, it takes in the fourth, assumes this one as a new array and sorts the fourth. Likewise it continues till the last element of the array, and then we have a complete sorted array. So now for seeing the output of this program, we press F9, then given the size of the array as 5, and after that we enter the elements of the array like that, and then we get 0 1 2 4 6 as the sorted. And now we have selection sort. In selection sort, what happens is we assume the first element. No, first what happens is we get in the input from the user, then we find the smallest element in the array, and then we bring it into its first place, and the first place element is put in where we found the smallest element in the array. So it continues till all the elements are sorted, till the highest reaches the last and the shortest reaches the first. So what we have here is we have enter number of elements, user, then we get in the input, and then after that we start sorting. So this is what we do for sorting, and then we print it finally. So what happens in this sorting is we assume the first we assume this we assume small to be the first element of the array, then we send it inside, compare it with all the elements we take, and we compare it with all the elements of the for. Then once it finds the smallest, then we increment then we increment c, which we firstly initialize it at 0. So we get, if c is greater than 0, then we give temp that at first value, then we swap the two values, and then we again give c as 0. So this is what happens. And now for the output of the program, we have 5 elements, and the elements are in a random order. Then we get 4 5 6 8 9 as the output. So that's all for insertion and selection sort, and hope you guys understood and enjoy.